Hello dear friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Creamy pasta is any kid's delight, and so why not prepare it during this weekend and make them happy? To start with, 350 grams of pasta are cooked in boiling water with 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil for about 7 minutes. In the meantime, 2 big tomatoes are blanched for about a minute. The cooked pasta is strained and kept aside. 1 or 2 teaspoons of the water used for cooking the pasta is saved for later use. The blanched tomatoes are then pureed and also kept aside. To make the white sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter are heated and into this is added 2 teaspoons of maida and mixed well. To this is poured 500 ml of chilled milk and 3 slices of parmesan or cheddar cheese, and all these are combined well. Into another pan, 1 tablespoon of butter is added and then goes a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 medium onion, and then followed by 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of basil powder. Chili flakes are also added into this, and everything is once again given a proper mix. The tomato puree is poured into this mix, followed by 1 tablespoon of ketchup and allowed to cook for a minute. Now it's time to add the cooked pasta and it's mixed properly in the base. In case you need more spiceful flavor, you can increase the amount of all the spices and also add 1 more tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can adjust the salt level also at this time. Finally, the white sauce with the cheese mix is poured into the pasta and blended well. Thus, the super creamy and tasty pasta is ready to be served. It's a very easy recipe and also a very good way to make the kids happy. I hope you liked the video. Also, I will meet you again in another video.